how to fix you need official WhatsApp to log in WhatsApp banned solution. If WhatsApp has banned you or your phone number, because this usually happens when you're using third-party modified WhatsApp of softwares. So if you're using apps like GB WhatsApp or other WhatsApp modified versions of WhatsApp, which is not from WhatsApp themselves, then in that case it could give you those issues, right? So the first thing you want to make sure is that you are downloading the official application from your Play Store or App Store, which is the original WhatsApp. The second thing, this could be because your phone number has been permanently banned. Now, if your phone number has been banned, then there's nothing that WhatsApp can do about it. The only thing you can do is you can try to use a new phone number in that case now. Also, it could be if you're using a modified software on your phone, especially on Android. If you have unlocked the bootloader on your phone, if you have root your phone, if you have tweaked your phone and modded it, then that's the case when it happens. So make sure you're using the official software of your phone and check that your software is also updated to the latest version. Then after you've done that, also what you can do is you can simply go to this Play Store, tap on the profile icon, settings, about, make sure that your device is showing certified. So after you follow these steps, you should be able to log into your WhatsApp, unless you are using the modified version of WhatsApp. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.